What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to copy a YouTube video link on your mobile device. This method works for both iOS and Android, so no matter what phone you're using, you'll be able to follow along. First, open the YouTube app or go to the YouTube website in your browser. Next, find a video you want to copy the link for. You can either search for the video or select one from your homepage. Once you've opened the video, look below it, where you will see a row of options. Find the share button. It's an icon with an arrow pointing to the right. Tap on it and a share menu will appear with different options for sharing the video. From this menu, locate the copy link option and tap on it. You will see a small notification confirming that the link has been copied. Now you can paste it anywhere, whether in a message, note or social media post, just by holding down in a text field and pressing paste. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.